I just interviewed a 23-year-old college dropout who makes more money in 1 month than most doctors make in an entire year. And he's not a tech genius. He didn't inherit wealth, and he's not doing anything illegal. He simply learned one skill that nobody's teaching in schools, and it transformed his life in less than 18 months. What's fascinating is that this skill didn't even exist 5 years ago. But today, it's creating a new class of wealthy individuals who are operating in a completely different economy than everyone else. I'm going to reveal exactly what this skill is and how you can learn it regardless of your background. Because the barrier to entry has collapsed to almost zero, but the income potential is absolutely staggering. His name is Jason Rivera, and when I met him, I honestly didn't believe his numbers were real. $22,000 in his first month, $47,000 in his third month, and by month 12, he crossed 6 figures in a single month. All while working from a laptop in his studio apartment with no employees and no overhead. I demanded to see proof because extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. He showed me his Stripe dashboard, his bank statements, and walked me through his entire business model. Everything checked out, and I realized I was looking at a blueprint that anyone with internet access could replicate. The skill that changed his life is AI-powered copywriting and marketing automation. And before you think this is just another online business hype story, let me explain why this is fundamentally different. We're in the middle of the largest business transformation in human history. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are desperate for marketing help, but they can't afford traditional agencies that charge $10,000 to $30,000 per month. At the same time, AI tools have become so powerful that one person can now deliver results that used to require entire teams. This creates a massive arbitrage opportunity for people who understand both marketing strategy and AI implementation. Welcome to Bold Bucks Official, where I investigate real wealth-building opportunities that are working right now. I'm Marcus Sterling, and I've spent months researching the AI revolution to separate legitimate opportunities from worthless hype. If you want to understand how to actually make money in the new economy, subscribe right now. Let me break down exactly how Jason built his 6-figure monthly income. Step 1, he identified a specific problem that thousands of businesses were struggling with. Most small business owners know they need better marketing, but they don't have the budget for expensive agencies or the time to do it themselves. They need someone who can deliver professional results at a fraction of the traditional cost. Jason positioned himself as an AI marketing specialist who could give them agency-level work for a price they could actually afford. Step 2, he learned how to use AI tools to do the work of an entire marketing team by himself. He mastered ChatGPT for writing sales copy, email sequences, and website content. He learned Midjourney for creating professional graphics and ad creatives. He studied marketing automation platforms to set up complete sales funnels. And here's the critical part. He didn't go to college for this or take expensive courses. He learned everything from YouTube tutorials, free online resources, and hands-on experimentation. Total investment in his education was less than $500 over 6 months. Step 3, he started offering services on freelance platforms to build his portfolio and get testimonials. His first few clients paid him just $500 to $1,000 per project. But he over-delivered massively, using AI to create comprehensive marketing systems that would normally cost 10 times more. Those early clients became raving fans who referred him to other business owners. Within 3 months, he had a waiting list of people wanting to hire him. Step 4, he raised his prices as demand increased and positioned himself as a specialist rather than a generalist. Instead of being a generic marketer, he became the AI marketing expert for e-commerce brands. Specialization allowed him to charge premium prices because he could demonstrate specific, measurable results for that industry. Step 5, he systemized his entire process so he could serve more clients without working more hours. He created templates, workflows, and automation sequences that he could customize for each client. What used to take agencies weeks to produce, he could deliver in days using AI assistance. This efficiency allowed him to scale from 3 clients per month to 15 clients per month without burning out. By month 18, he was earning between $120,000 to $160,000 per month. His profit margin was over 80% because his only real costs were software subscriptions and internet. No office, no employees, no inventory, just him, his laptop, and his knowledge of how to leverage AI tools. Now here's what makes this opportunity so powerful right now. We're still in the early adoption phase, where demand massively exceeds supply. There are millions of small businesses that need this help, but only thousands of people who can actually deliver it. This supply-demand imbalance creates pricing power and eliminates competition. Jason told me he turns away more clients than he accepts because he's maxed out on capacity. And every single one of those rejected clients is a potential opportunity for someone else who has this skill. But the window won't stay open forever. As more people learn these skills, the competition will increase and prices will normalize. The people who move now have a first-mover advantage that could last 3 to 5 years. So what does this mean practically if you're watching this and want to pursue this path? First, understand that this is not passive income or a get-rich-quick scheme. Jason worked 12 to 14-hour days for the first 6 months learning, practicing, and building his reputation. The money came after he developed genuine skill and delivered real results. Second, focus on solving expensive problems for businesses that can afford to pay you. Don't offer cheap services to broke entrepreneurs. Target established businesses with revenue who need better marketing. A business doing $500,000 in annual revenue will happily pay you $5,000 per month if you can increase their sales by 10%. Third, become obsessed with results, not just activities. Jason's clients pay him because he increases their revenue, not because he's good at using AI tools. The AI is just the mechanism. The value is in the strategic thinking and measurable outcomes. Fourth, build your portfolio with free or discounted work initially, but transition to premium pricing quickly. Don't get stuck in the trap of undercharging because you lack confidence. If you're delivering $10,000 of value, charge $5,000 and let the results speak for themselves. Fifth, create systems and processes so your income isn't capped by your available time. Jason's goal is to reach $200,000 per month by adding leverage through productized services and junior contractors. Let me address the obvious question. Can AI replace this opportunity by automating what Jason does? The answer is no. And here's why: businesses don't want AI tools. They want solutions to their problems. They need someone who understands their business, their customers, and their market well enough to create strategy. AI can execute the tactics, but it can't replace strategic thinking and human judgment. Jason's value isn't in his ability to prompt ChatGPT. It's in knowing what to create and why it will work. That strategic layer is what clients pay premium prices for, and it's not being automated anytime soon. Another question: is this saturated or too late to start? Absolutely not. We're still in the first inning of this transformation. The total addressable market is every small business in the world, and the penetration rate is still under 5%. There's enough opportunity for 10,000 people to build 6-figure incomes in this space over the next 3 years. But you have to start now and commit to becoming genuinely skilled, not just dabbling. Here's your action plan if you want to pursue this opportunity. Week 1, spend 20 hours learning the fundamentals of copywriting and marketing psychology. Understand what makes people buy, how to write compelling offers, and the basics of sales funnels. Week 2 through 4, master ChatGPT, Midjourney, and one marketing automation platform. Build sample projects for fictional companies to develop your portfolio. Week 5 through 8, offer your services at a discount to 3 real businesses and deliver exceptional results. Document everything. Get video testimonials and ask for referrals. Week 9 through 12, raise your prices, specialize in one industry, and start scaling your client base. By month 6, if you execute consistently, you should be making $5,000 to $10,000 per month. By month 12, $20,000 to $40,000 per month is achievable if you focus on high-value clients. By month 18, 6 figures per month becomes possible for the people who truly commit and master the craft. Jason's story is not unique. I've now interviewed 7 people following similar paths with comparable results. The pattern is consistent: learn AI tools, solve expensive problems, deliver measurable results, scale strategically. This is the blueprint for building wealth in the AI economy, and it's accessible to anyone willing to put in the work. If this video showed you a real path to financial freedom, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment telling me if you're going to pursue this opportunity. Public commitment increases follow-through. Subscribe to Bold Bucks Official for more real opportunities and strategies that are actually working. Check out our AI Wealth Engines playlist for additional ways to leverage technology for income. The opportunity is real, the timeline is now, and the barrier to entry is lower than it's ever been. The only question is whether you're going to take action or watch from the sidelines. This is Marcus Sterling, Bold Bucks Official, where your financial future gets built through knowledge and execution.